This was one of the best date nights I've had in ages. It was all because of this cute little statue making kit. It was really easy and fun. It came with everything you need. You just mix up this mold powder, this like pink stuff, and once it starts to set, throw in whatever you want a statue of. We wanted to be cute and have us holding hands. And then you mix together the stone powder and pour in the mold, and after like 3 hours and just a little bit of cleanup, you got a memory that lasts forever.